In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the inner forward fender liner on your INFINITI G35. Remove the three 10mm bolts. And pull the fender liner from the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove one clip for the inner fender liner. Remove the plastic clips for the inner fender liner using a trim tool. Remove the one Phillips head screw on the fender well. And then remove this inner splash guard. Install the inner fender liner. Tuck it inside of the bumper. Install the Phillips head screw for the fender liner. Install the three clips. One in the top and then two in the sides. Install the clip that goes to the inner fender liner. Install these three 10mm bolts back into the bumper.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.